Samsung TV error code 1. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to fix Samsung TV error code 107. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. The first fix for this issue is check the network status. When the Samsung error code 107 occurs, you should identify what component causes the error. The first thing you should do is to check the network status. Here is the guide. Tap on the home button on your TV remote. Next, navigate to Settings and select it using your remote. Now, select Network in the General menu and further select Network Status. On the screen, you can see the connection status of the TV router and the internet. Blue dots mean a connection and a red X means no connection. Next fix is troubleshoot the connection to the router. If you are using a wireless connection, please make sure the distance between the modem or router and the TV is within 15.2 meters and there should be no obstacle between them. If there is any obstacle in the middle of them or the distance is more than 15.2 meters, a wireless booster is required. Ensure that all of the cables connected to the router are well connected. If necessary, please unplug all the cables connected to your router, including the power cable, and restart the router. Wait about 1 minute and then reconnect these cables. The next fix for this issue is reset Samsung TV network settings. Some users reported that they had resolved the Samsung error code 107 by resetting the network settings. If the above methods didn't work for you, you can try resetting the network settings. To reset the network settings, tap on the Home or Source button on your TV remote. Next, navigate to Settings and then tap on General and further tap on Network option. Choose Reset Network and tap on the Yes option. This will restore the network settings to the factory default. Now, tap on Network Settings button to set them again. This time, you can even connect the TV to a different network. The next fix for this issue is update TV firmware. Some people complain that the Samsung TV error code 107 occurs after installing firmware 1303, 1169, etc. In this case, you need to install a new version or roll back to the previous one. If your TV is able to connect to the internet, you can update the Samsung TV firmware through the following steps. First, press the menu or home button on your Samsung remote. Next, go to Settings and tap on Support and further tap on Software Update. Now, select the Update Now option, then new updates will be downloaded and installed on your Samsung Smart TV, and your Samsung Smart TV will restart after finishing the update. If necessary, you can also turn on the Auto Update. This will allow your TV to get updates automatically. So these are a few methods on how you can fix Samsung TV error code 107. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.